model, 2015 Vauxhall Vivaro 2901.6 CDTI, 115, L1H1 Runs And Drives MOTD. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 192797. MOT, the 28th of June 2025. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6115 PSE 5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox whines in 5th and 6th does still drive. Gearbox will need repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is in decent, average condition, still more than comfortable. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van. Features, 3 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures.